Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look.
It's time to braid this hair, and I literally have been wearing this wig all week because my hair's been like parted up and braided up. Like, I've been procrastinating so bad on braiding my hair, it's not even funny. But at least it's pre-parted somewhat. It's like, it's not all the way parted, but it's in like sections. Like, this is a row, and then this is a row, etc. For hair, I ordered this hair on Amazon. Using the Bobby Boss pre-stretched braiding hair. Body wave, it's body wave. So it looks like this. And the, ooh, okay. I was worried, like, cause like in the Amazon picture, it kind of looked a little bit red. Like, not a little bit, very red. And I was like, I don't want like an intense red. Like, I want like a deep red like this. And it looks like it matches perfectly. It gets a little brighter towards like the very end, but it's not like crazy bright. Okay, so I sectioned off the first section. So then I'm going to break this up into like 4 different parts and then start braiding. And I'm not gonna worry too much about like how clean the parts are in the back because you won't be able to really see them. I'm gonna be working with about this much hair for each section. I've been braiding for about 3 hours or so, and I'm not even halfway done. I think I'm either gonna leave it alone for tonight or do one more row and call it a night because I have jury duty at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and so I have to be asleep early. I don't know why they scheduled me jury duty, but it's okay. I'm gonna oil this row with olive oil. Yeah, I really want my hair to grow while they're in these braids, and that's kind of the point of me doing them. And I want them to last really long, so I'm gonna take my time as well. And that's why I'm also using Blue Magic to make my hair a little bit softer too and prep it for growing. It is the next day, and this is about how many braids I have done right now. I just have the top half left, and I'm hoping this takes me only another like 2-3 hours, so it doesn't seem like too much. We're gonna start with this little section. But yes, this is taking me a lot longer than I thought because it's really not easy to braid with long nails on. Also, not gonna leave out too many curly pieces just because this is synthetic hair, and I know that this hair gets tangled really easily, so I want to kind of minimize that. The next section that we're working with, and to make sure that the roots look good, I'm just gonna put Shining Jam at the root and like slick it down, and then I'm gonna run my comb through it to make sure it's slick as well. So I just put it like super close to my edges in the root. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of Blue Magic. And yeah. Now I'm gonna split this into 2 to make this 2 big. Laid out like pieces of hair all over the room. Like you can see there's even some down me, just to make it easier so I'm not having to like split up hair every time I'm braiding in this section. I'm gonna start very tight at the root. Use my mirror. Still looking at the camera. Well, I was on Etsy earlier looking for like digital cameras, and I really want to get the what is it called? It's like the Kodak something. But the pictures on it look so nice, and it's less than 200, which is good for like a quality camera. So I want to get that this summer. Notice how I braided it in about 2 braids after I started, because we don't want to like add it in too late. It was just getting a little bulky right after to make it a little bit thicker. Okay, I have a hard time like combining them sometimes, but there we go. And then I just braided it in. I'll try to zoom in so that it's more clear of like how I added it in. But yeah, when you're braiding at the root, you want to make sure you're doing it super tight. And I also try to add in jam as I go so that the braids lay down smooth, because my hair tends to stick up and fly away or just get frizzy. So it helps. Yeah, I'm gonna come back after I finish this row. It's pretty much done. I just need to do my edges because they're looking really bare. As always, I'm using Edge Booster. This is just like top tier. Like, I don't know how else to describe it to y'all. The whole lasts all day. It's super easy to use. It smells really good. It is a little bit pricey, but you gotta pay to get good quality. So I just like brush them down in a downwards direction, and then once they look good, I just like kind of swoop them in. And boom, we have one side done. Here we go, close up. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side and then come back when everything's done. The Mia or Maya, I don't know how you say it, the co-defining mousse, just to clean up any flyaways and also put it on the ends. I need some more because it's almost done. Like, what is this? Put it on the top. We're gonna put some on the ends as well because it's a lot of free hair at the bottom and it gets tangled really easily. So I want to make sure it's as smooth as possible, if I even can, because there's like barely anything left. But we're gonna try our best. And then to sleep with it, I think I'm just gonna do 2 like braided ponytails so that it doesn't tangle like while I sleep, because knowing me, that will happen. I move around like crazy. It's not even funny. Okay, and boom, these came out really cute. Like, I really like them. I've never done like small, or I don't know if this is small or medium, we're gonna call them medium, but I've never done small or medium really on myself, because I always go for like bigger braids since it's faster. But yeah, I really like how these came out. About to go to the Caribbean. So the hair is up in a ponytail now. This cute style. It's giving like 90s. I don't know. The whole look is giving 90s look here. But yeah, I really like how it turned out. It's super cute. Quick 360. I think the parting could have been a little bit better, but it's okay because it's probably going to be in this style for like the majority of the time I have these braids in, so you can't really see the perks, which is fine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely try this out. It took me like it took me like 9 hours in total, to be honest, so it takes some time, but it's super cute, so it's worth it. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see y'all next week.